Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token coin. Now, the way money has been flowing in Tectonic token last year, this year is going to be more better than last year because money have really flowed into Tectonic token within the space of 10 days. You can see Tectonic token have actually gained about 10 million dollars within the past 9 days, and imagine gaining about 10 million in 9 days. The market cap of Tectonic token have really increased. Last year, Tectonic token was just gaining little, and a lot of people are actually pulling out on Tectonic token. But starting this year, 2023, with an impressive pump, so many investors have been coming in, and I believe so many whales have also been buying Tectonic token, and that have actually helped this coin to start increasing in terms of market cap, in terms of volume. The volume of Tectonic token is really rising, and I believe it's a good sign, and it's a good one for a coin like Tectonic token to start the year, to start a new year with an impressive price change, with an impressive market cap change. They have gained a lot, and remember, when people keep on pumping in money on a particular coin, you see so many other people will start having faith. People will start some other people want to buy and hold, because everybody was like, wow, imagine 10 million in the past 9 days. It's amazing. Yes, I will tell you the truth, because last year for months Tectonic token, it was difficult to even gain even just 3 million in 1 month. So I'm happy to see this rise. I'm happy to see over 9 million being pumped in on Tectonic token. Last year they celebrated last year December, their 1 year anniversary, and I believe this year we are going to expect something more bigger. We are going to see Tectonic token really increasing, especially now that Bitcoin it has also started increasing. We're happy to see Bitcoin for the first time crossing $20,000 mark after months. So I believe this year is going to be a bullish year. Like I said before earlier, that last year I keep saying it, that this year is definitely going to be a bullish year for crypto industry. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.